Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Given the health concerns with social contact these days, you may be on the fence about putting your home for sale. You may know that we're not allowed to do open houses, but we have come up with very creative ways to sell homes virtually, and we're being quite successful. Sellers who need to sell their house now are asking themselves, what is the best way to get my house out there for the masses to see without implicating my health and the health of my family? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you what virtual practices you should use to keep you, your family, and buyers safe throughout the selling process. In today's selling market, it's more important than ever for you to have a digital game plan in place and an online marketing strategy when selling your home. One of the ways that we can help with this is make sure that your listing photos and virtual tours stand out from the rest of the crowd, giving buyers a more detailed and thorough look to the inside of your home. Once you decide that you want to move forward, there are several key things or tips that we feel you need to have in place when marketing your home virtually. Number one, you need to provide a virtual tour of the home. This is going to allow buyers a very hands-on experience, and it's going to be probably the closest thing to actually seeing the home in person. Via the virtual tour, they're going to be able to navigate the home. They're going to be able to zoom in on wall textures, floors, windows, inside of closets, etc., to give them a very detailed and thorough look of the inside of your home. If a virtual showing is not possible on a home, we are allowed to have in-person showings by appointment only when the house is vacant. We are allowed to have 2 people view the property at a time with an agent present, as long as we abide by the CDC guidelines, COVID-19 guidelines. And of course, all social distancing protocols must be followed and adhered to, including protective measures such as washing your hands, wearing gloves, covering your face with cloth masks, and not touching any surfaces when you're inside the home. Very detailed and accurate listing information. Accurate and detailed listing information is very important for obvious reasons. You want to make sure to include as many features, amenities, and details when it comes to the property in order to give the buyer a detailed account of what the home is like. Number 3 is to provide detailed neighborhood information. Detailed neighborhood information is also very important. It's something good to include would be like schools, points of interest, transportation, things like that. Number 4 would have to be high quality listing photos. This is not the time for you to cut corners on a professional photographer and videographer. We always make sure that we provide our clients, our sellers, with professional photos of the inside and the exterior of the home. In addition to still shots, it's also great to include aerial drone shots of the property, showing how the property sits on the lot and in comparison to other homes. And it's nice also to get a street view, see if there's alley access. Number 5 is going to be agent-led video chat. So you may or may not know, but right now we're not able to host traditional open houses. So we have become really creative with them, and we are now hosting virtual open houses through platforms such as Zoom. In this way, agents are able to communicate with buyers via chat and answer any questions that they may have. The bottom line is that things are shifting quickly, and virtual strategies may be a great option for you and your family. If you have been on the fence about selling, opening your mind to digital approaches to selling your home might be game-changing. If you're still in doubt, feel free to reach out and connect with us, and we'll be happy to do a virtual consultation with you to determine if selling your home now is what's best for you and your family. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Stay safe. Bye.